Happy Information Wednesday. Shalise McQueen here, the Shalise McQueen Agency out of Scottsdale, Arizona. I was going to move on from the auto topic, but I did get a question from a viewer last week on what makes up your auto premium. And the short answer is it's complex. So I was going to dive into that and give you all the details on what makes up your premium so you can better understand when you're shopping around for insurance, what to look for, and basically what's being counted against you and for you. As I mentioned, what goes into your auto premium definitely is very complex. It goes into your vehicle, obviously your personal record, your credit, your insurance history, etc. So the first item is definitely your vehicle. So what is the cost of your vehicle? Is there a high theft rate? What is, in essence, the replacement or repair cost associated with that vehicle? Another big component with how your auto insurance is rated is where you live. Are you within the city limits of a major city? So for example, here in Arizona, if you live inside Phoenix, your rates are a little bit higher than some of the other surrounding cities. And that's due to population, obviously different drivers on the road, what kind of construction may be going on, etc. Now down to the nitty-gritty of your driving record, which absolutely 100% does play into your premium of your auto. How so? Well, obviously somebody that has accidents and speeding tickets versus not has a very different and higher rating than somebody that doesn't. So how accidents and tickets are claimed on your history is, for example, they have a surcharge for the first 3 years, but they are a chargeable offense for 5 years. So in essence, that speeding ticket stays on your driving record for 5 years, and the insurance uses that as a premium to charge on your auto policy. Now, in addition to your driving record, we look at obviously your credit. We look at how long you've been driving, what kind of history you have with your insurance. Do you have longevity with the same insurance company? Have you ever had a lapse of coverage? What kind of coverages do you carry? Are you carrying state minimum coverage, or are you having a higher liability limits? Those all play into, of course, your makeup of you being a driver, whether you're getting a good driver discount, a safe driver discount, etc. We also take into consideration age, marital status. The reason being is, for whatever reason, if you're married, you're supposedly more responsible. I mean, being single, I disagree with that, but depending on who you marry, you may be irresponsible, but that definitely plays into the aspect. And as I said in an earlier video, age is a big factor. So typically anywhere from age 25 and below, you have a higher risk of accidents, and age 65 and above, you have a higher risk as well. So the sweet spot really is from 30 to 64 and a half, so to speak, where you kind of have more of a preferred rating for your auto policy. Last but not least, obviously the discount associated with your account definitely goes pro for your auto premium. For example, if you're a homeowner, there's a huge auto and home bundle. If you have young drivers, if they have a good student discount that you can get by showing good grades, that will help you. We have an app called Signal here at Farmers that tracks your driving history, and that basically promotes that you are a safe driver and gives you between a 5 and 15% discount. So just to reiterate, the answer is not short and sweet in terms of what makes up your auto premium. Once again, your vehicle, your location, your age, your driving history, your credit, obviously the other drivers on your account and their history, your household members, etc. This is where it gets into handy, this is where it gets sticky, I should say, in terms when you have roommates. It's because you all are sharing an address, and in terms, their bad history may somehow go onto you based on the location alone, because we are unfortunately the company that we keep. Those of you that do have a blemished driving record, though, I don't want to discourage you, because there are products out there. For example, with Farmers, we also have a subsidiary company that we use called Bristol West, and they are perfect for young drivers, blemished drivers, and foreign drivers. They definitely have a great rating tier to benefit those drivers that don't have necessarily the history behind their belt for longevity with insurance company, which does go against. If you have any questions on today's topic on what makes up your auto policy or any of our previous topics, as always, feel free to give me a call at 602-525-5665 or email me at cmcqueen@farmersagent.com. I'm always here to help with any topics you have, or if you want to hear about something in the future, please drop me a line. Otherwise, thanks for viewing, and we'll see you next week.